If you're finding yourself sleeping poorly, waking up just as tired as when you went to bed, noticing your erections becoming weaker, and feeling your energy drain away day after day, I need you to listen carefully. What I'm about to explain is something that most men have never been told with this kind of clarity. And I want to be direct. This is not just a normal part of getting older. It's a sign that your body is missing something essential. It's a sign that your ability to recover is breaking down, and that breakdown starts at night. If you're waking up exhausted, struggling with fading erections, and feeling your energy and drive slip away, that's not simply your age. It's a warning sign that your body is becoming deficient in something it needs every single night, and most men don't even realize it's happening until they're already deep into decline. Many of the men I help tell me the exact same story. They say, "Doctor, I sleep, but I wake up with no energy. My erections are weaker. My desire is gone. I feel heavy, foggy, irritated, and I don't know why. And when I look closer, I always see the same pattern. Their bodies are losing the capacity to recover during the night. That nightly recovery is what separates a man who feels 60 from a man who feels 80. Because at night, crucial processes are supposed to take place. Your body produces the majority of its natural testosterone. Your penile blood vessels expand and regenerate. Your prostate reduces inflammation, and the mitochondrial inside your cells, your body's power plants, recharge for the next day. If sleep is disrupted or shallow, all of this fails, and the first systems to collapse are virility, sexual performance, physical vigor, and desire. So why does sleep get worse with age, especially after 60? The answer is actually simple. As men get older, they begin losing essential minerals and nutrients that were once abundant in their youth. The most critical of these is magnesium. Magnesium is the single most important mineral for male sleep, for nocturnal erections, and for the production of testosterone. Without it, your body remains in a state of alert. You may fall asleep, but you won't reach deep restorative sleep. And without deep sleep, your body never truly recovers. The signs of nighttime magnesium deficiency are clear. See if any of these sound familiar. Waking up 2 or 3 times per night to urinate. Restless, shallow sleep with strange dreams or sudden awakenings. Cramping. Muscle tension or tingling in the legs. Waking up tired as if you never slept at all. Increased irritability or anxiety during the day. Fewer, weaker morning erections. If you recognize 2 or more of these, your body may be begging for magnesium. So why does magnesium become deficient as men age? There are 2 main reasons. First, our modern food supply is far lower in magnesium than it used to be. Soil depletion means that even the healthiest vegetables and grains today contain less magnesium than they did decades ago. Second, as a man over 60, your body simply absorbs far less magnesium than it once did, even if you eat all the right foods. That means that no matter how hard you try to eat well, the deficiency quietly continues, and that's when the fatigue, the restless nights, the fading erections, and the silent loss of virility begin. This is why getting the right form of magnesium at night becomes such a fundamental step in rebuilding your body from the ground up. But here's where most men make a mistake. Not all magnesium is the same. Walk into any pharmacy and you'll see dozens of types: oxide, chloride, citrate, malate, 30-onate, glycinate. And here's the truth: the type of magnesium you choose makes all the difference, especially if your focus is improving erections, restoring sleep, and recovering your energy. The 2 most important forms for men over 60 are magnesium glycinate. This highly absorbable form works directly on the parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's relaxation mode. It helps you fall into deeper sleep, calms muscle tension, and relaxes blood vessels, setting the stage for nighttime recovery and stronger morning erections. Magnesium 30-onate. This form is unique because it crosses the blood-brain barrier. It supports cognitive clarity, memory, and focus, while calming anxious nighttime thoughts that keep you awake. For men who find their mind racing at night or who wake up and can't get back to sleep, magnesium 308 is the best option. The best time to take magnesium is 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to absorb it and begin activating its calming effects. For glycinate, a typical dose is 200 to 400 mg per night. For 30 on 8, it's usually 1 to 2 g of powder containing about 144 mg of elemental magnesium. Always start with the minimum dose for a few days and adjust if needed. Take it with a cup of warm water or calming tea like chamomile. And here's a tip. After you take it, avoid bright lights, TV, or your phone. Give your body the signal that it's time to wind down. Lie down within that 30-60-minute window and allow sleep to take over. So, what can you expect? In the first few days, most men notice they fall asleep faster. Their muscles feel lighter and their heartbeat slows more naturally. By the end of the first week, men wake up with more energy, less heaviness in their legs, fewer bathroom trips during the night, and often spontaneous morning erections. After 2 weeks of consistent use, many men report 6 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep, lower anxiety, clearer focus, and a natural boost in libido and vitality, all without harsh drugs or synthetic hormones. Now, there are 3 common mistakes I see men make when they try magnesium. Mistake 1, choosing the wrong type, usually magnesium oxide. It's the cheapest and most common form, but it has terrible absorption and often causes diarrhea without delivering real benefits. Avoid it. Mistake 2, taking magnesium in the morning. Remember, magnesium is calming. If you take it early in the day, it can make you feel sluggish and you lose the restorative nighttime benefit. The best results come when you take it at night. Mistake 3, inconsistency. Magnesium works cumulatively in the body. If you take it here and there, skip days, or forget on weekends, you won't build the steady foundation you need. Consistency for at least 14 nights in a row is key to seeing true transformation. Some men ask me, Dr. Blake, what if I already take medication? Magnesium is a natural mineral, so for most men, it's safe to use alongside common prescriptions like blood pressure medication, statins, or prostate remedies. But if you're on blood thinners or have more complex medical needs, always check with your doctor to adjust doses appropriately. Here's another tip. Magnesium works even better when combined with zinc and vitamin B6 at night. This combination, often called ZMA, can enhance testosterone production, improve sleep depth, accelerate muscle recovery, and naturally boost libido. And here's what I want you to remember. Fatigue, poor sleep, fading erections. These are not inevitable signs of aging. They are signs of deficiency. Your body still has the ability to feel strong, virile, and rested, but it needs the right nutrients at the right time. That recovery starts at night. Many men come to me feeling defeated, avoiding intimacy, disconnected from their partners, low in energy, and discouraged about the future. But when they restore sleep, support testosterone naturally, and rebuild recovery from the inside out, something shifts, confidence returns, desire returns, energy comes back. It feels like a rebirth, and it starts with a single decision to take care of your body at night. And for men who want to take it further, I want to mention why I recommend 2 specific supplement options. Too many men waste money on unsafe, unproven pills from adult websites. That's why I only recommend products that are safe, backed by science, and actually effective. You'll find the links in the comments and video description below. For men who want a moderate boost, I recommend organic watermelon extract rich in L-citrulline. This naturally increases nitric oxide, improves blood flow, and supports firmer, more reliable erections. But if you're looking for a much bigger boost, not just circulation, but also testosterone, stamina, libido, and even prostate health, then I recommend our advanced formula. It combines L-citrulline with Erection horny goat to enhance blood flow, hardness, and stamina. Tomcat Ollie to support testosterone and sexual drive. Fenugreek for energy, libido, and more satisfying orgasms. Nettle root for hormone support and prostate health. Together, these ingredients target every aspect of male performance: circulation, hormones, energy, desire, and prostate function. So, if you're ready to reclaim your vitality, choose the option that fits your goals. The links are right below in the comments and video description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next